Did you know the American bison has a midbrain so large it might be the biggest in all mammals? We are about to explore why its brain works completely differently from any other animal on Earth. Most animals share similar brain structures, but the bison breaks every rule. Unlike its European cousin with a high head, our American bison hangs its head lower. While it has a hairier body, its tail is actually less furry. Scientists have found that the bison's brain differs wildly from other large ungulates. It features a massive size and a unique fissural pattern on its cerebral hemispheres, along with a highly developed insular cortex that sets it apart. The most shocking discovery is the midbrain. Specifically, the superior colliculi are exceptionally large, potentially representing the largest reported size among all mammals in the entire animal kingdom. These anatomical quirks aren't just random. They likely reflect deep behavioral differences. This unique brain structure allows the bison to process its environment in a way no other large grazing animal can. Evidence suggests these traits are ancient. We believe this anatomical uniqueness is a vestige of the past, remaining largely unchanged over a broad expanse of geologic time because it was perfectly adapted for survival. In short, the bison brain is a living fossil. Its massive midbrain and unique patterns are not evolutionary dead ends, but rather a preserved blueprint from a time when these giants ruled the plains. The bison's brain is truly a unique masterpiece of evolution. What other animal fact surprised you the most today? Let me know in the comments below.